Before you add any products to your EzyCourse platform, you're first going to need to set up some categories. You do this in the left-hand menu under Products and then click Categories. Now you'll see I've already got 3 categories created. I'm going to use these for physical products that I'm selling: scales, t-shirts and water bottles. I'm also going to add on an extra couple of categories to cover the digital products that I'll be selling. So the first one is called Workouts. And I'm going to upload an image for that category. Select it and click Create. And then I'm going to add in the extra category by clicking the Add Category button, giving it the name Recipes, choosing my image, and click Create. So I now have 5 categories that I can use for the digital and physical products that I add.